Although we have some unfinished business still to do, this thing's mostly playing really good and it's ready to go home until we're done with this big move. If you haven't heard about the big move, you're gonna find out real soon. Yep, it's official. But in the meantime, we need to know if this thing's capable of a hair trick. All that work, all that time, and we don't even know if this thing can do a hair trick yet. I think it can. It sounds like it can. It don't sound too far off from the Tahoe. Let's pull it out here and see real quick on a Sunday when I can make some noise out front of my shop. If you're new to this build, just to show you what's going on here, dual 400 amp Mechman alternators. We got 5 Titanate lithium batteries, 1 up front, 4 in the back, SkyHigh, 2-aught, 1-aught wire everywhere in the front. We got the iPad in the dash. We did that years ago. Got some mids and highs that aren't really worth talking about. They're nice, but they're getting changed out anyway, so it don't matter. Right back here, we got fuse blocks, distro bars, battery bank. Here's the other 4 batteries. You can see the entire build on my channel, of course. Two 8500.1s, a 200.4, and a 500.4, processed by Audiocontrol. And we got an LFAudio remote bass knob. Gately Audio 15s, Relentless, hand built right in front of us on YouTube video. You can look back and see that too. Super bright out here, so it's reflecting off everything.
Shop that like she need that. 5, 5, 6 dimes with some pretty eyes. And she a dime, mine like British wine.
Of course, these amps can be any color. The acrylic can be any color also. We're just doing this for right now. You can look back at the old videos and kind of see. Hey, you ready to see if this thing can move some air or what, bud? Yep. Let's do it. Back it on out. Don't even know if it can do it. We haven't even tried yet, so first try. All right, this song right here is a staple, and with copyright going on, I'm not gonna be able to play the whole intro, but you're gonna get the idea here in a second. We got Mama Meat over here, of course. Come on in here. Remember this one?
Big lamb in the back in the crib. People sleep, man. Out the window, what's wrong with y'all?
Yeah, she does a hair trick, bud.
Fuck with me. Homie's gonna have a candlelight.
At the candlelight.
Damn.
Or we could go midnight, rewind. A tooth for tooth, name tag on the wall, no truth.
Think about it, is that good? All right, now we know we can do it on music for sure. Let's get some test tones and try some of that out real quick. Let's see what happens at 20 hertz. Whoa. Man, that's 20 hertz. Whoa. Hold on a second. We're running that again. At 20 hertz. Ready? All right, you got to get those woofers back there. See, we're at 20 hertz right now. Let's go. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, that's brutal at 20 hertz. Hey, she does a hair trick. She does it all. This thing goes low. On to the next chapter.